For high school students, building an EPK pinball machine is a hands-on STEAM project combining engineering, technology, art, and digital fabrication. The end result is a real, playable game that can be kept at school, commissioned, sold, donated, or gifted, so the learning creates value beyond the classroom. For schools and all DIY makers, you'll build with modern tools and tech components. For example, 3D printing and prefab laser cut parts, Arduino Uno coding for sensing, movement, and sound, sensing with accelerometer and optical devices, DC and servo motor actuators, analog and digital signal inputs and outputs, including audio and serial data comms, and finally, digital design tools for 3D modeling, coding, graphics, and sound. Overall, the project builds technical and creative skills while introducing industry-relevant tools and processes.